The four ways to snowball your dividend income and your dividend wealth is to reinvest the dividends that you get from these companies. The companies, if you've done your research, they should be able to grow their dividend income faster than inflation, so at least 4%. Some of these companies also pay a special dividend every now and then. And then you want to put more money into your account to buy dividend paying stocks. Those are the four ways to snowball your dividend wealth. Now, everyday investors like you and myself, we don't have millions or even billions to invest in the stock market. But dividend paying stocks do open up the doors for us to build our wealth. So why do some companies actually pay a dividend? Well, a dividend is like an appreciation to the shareholders for actually believing and investing in the company. Whenever a company goes through an IPO, they go to the IPO, initial public offering, because they wanted to generate enough capital in order to expand their business practices. And the investors that believed in the company get their repayment in the form of a dividend. Another reason also is that people that actually work at the company, upper management, even CEOs, they might also own stock within that company. So it's in their benefit that the company does well and is able to increase the dividend because it will directly benefit them and their pockets. And then lastly, of course, having a dividend paying stock brings stability. It brings long-term shareholders to the company. Dividend paying companies, also called blue chip companies, are a lot more stable than growth stocks when you look at the stock market. So whenever you see that there's a stock market dip or a stock market crash, it usually hits the growth stocks first, particularly tech stocks. When you look at the dividend paying companies, yes, they do get hit also, but they're able to recover faster and they don't get hit as much as the growth stocks. Hit meaning shareholders selling their shares. Usually with those dividend paying companies, yes, the price might go down, but some of these companies still pay their dividends, and especially a dividend that increases year over year. So shareholders just keep holding on to the dividend, to this dividend paying stock, because they don't only pay attention to the price of the stock, they particularly pay attention to the dividend that they receive.